Hello, welcome along to this, another wee challenge video. This time, it's all about fake news, specifically fake images that you see on the internet. You might not see. How do you know if they're fake? What can you do? Well, we're going to discuss that towards the end, but we're going to play a wee game first. What's going to happen is, an image is going to come up. You're going to get 30 seconds to guess whether you think it's fake or it's real. Then we'll reveal and we'll see. So, okay, it's a cat. Looks like a very stern cat there. Fake or real? What do I think? I think it's overkill. I think the cat probably either had the eyebrows or had the moustache. And then somebody's went, right, let's just add a wee bit more to it. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. We're almost out of time. I'm going to say fake. I'm going to say fake. It's probably quite a cute cat and somebody tried to overplay it. That's right. There we go. Yeah, so it was fake. Why would you do that? Why wouldn't you just share the image of the cat with the moustache? Everybody loves a cat with a moustache. Why wouldn't you do that? Right, okay. Next image. Are we ready? Right, that's Venice in Italy. Looks like it's frozen over. Venice is a city in Italy where there's water everywhere. And you go in gondola. You don't really drive a car in Venice. You go in a wee boat. That looks fake to me. I don't think. Venice is Italy. I don't think it gets that cold there. I'm going to say fake again. I'm going to say fake. What have you said? Right, we're out of time. We're out of time. Let's have a wee look. It is fake. There you go. Look at that. They've taken two images there. So they've got the image of Venice. Then they've got the image, I'm guessing that's of like the Arctic, maybe? Then they photoshopped the two together to make it look like that. So you can't believe everything you see, can you? Right, okay. Next one. Oh, it looks like, is she floating? Like a magic carpet or something? No. Actually, oh. I know. This is an interesting one. I think it's a trick. It's actually a real photo. It's a real photo, but the shadow on the ground, or there we go, out of time. The shadow on the ground isn't from that. It's from a flagpole up above. Yeah, it must be. So the shadow is from the flag. It's not from that. It just makes it look a bit like she's floating in the air. It is a real photo. Okay. Next one. Oh, a black lion. I know you get black panthers, black jaguar. Do you get a black lion? You get white lions. Know that they're very rare. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna say real. I'm gonna say that's real. It's a real image. What did you guess? We're out of time. Right, let's have a look. Ah, see? Look at that though, that lion's white, isn't it? That's one of those white lions, is it not? They've went and changed it. Why do people do these things? A fake image again. Right. Next one. There he is. The man himself. Donald Trump, no longer in office, is he? There you go. Showing off a picture he drew there. People. Of a cat. Very good. Not spelt correctly either. What do you think? Think he was playing a wee joke on people, maybe? Think he was having a laugh? Oh, what we got? 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. What have you guessed? I'm going to tell you right now. It's fake. There's loads of these. You see, not just Donald Trump. Every president had to signs at some point executive orders and legislation. And the way they do it is they get one of these documents, and then they write on it there their name, and then they show it off. But in today's age with Photoshop and with computers, white paper can very easily be changed. Different things. And you can see there, even in a moving image. It's quite easy for someone just at home to do that now with the right software. So yeah, so that is, of course, fake. news. It's my best Donald Trump impression. Fake news. It's fake. Okay, what I got? Oh wow, look at that. That seems to be a big hole in the middle of a city. The road and the buildings and all that. Ooh. I mean, I don't think you get holes that big, usually. What do you think? Would that happen in Edinburgh? I don't know. Hmm. Well, we porky pie. Oh, time up. What have you guessed? Fake or real? I know this is real. Isn't that terrifying? It's what you call a sinkhole. Sometimes they can open up. I think that's the largest one ever recorded in today's times. But yes, they can suddenly just open up out of the ground. They're very, very rare though, especially for them to be that big. And most of the time, scientists can tell that they're about to appear as well. So I think in that case, nobody suffered anything because they knew it was coming, so they evacuated everybody out. But it's still quite scary, isn't it? Yeah, the way we build things. So that's a fun wee game there. It's a quick one. Fake or real? I think it's a really, really important thing to be aware of these days. Here it is. This is a very famous image of Justin Bieber doing some modelling. I love Justin Bieber here. Have a look at the image on that side. On the left, it is the original picture. And then on, well, just above me, just there on the right-hand side, what we call it's a airbrushed image. That means that someone on a computer has changed bits of the photo to make it look maybe more appealing to someone's eye, to make it more eye-catching. Is there anything you notice? You see any differences between the two pictures? Obviously, it's a different kind of colour, but have they done anything to Justin Bieber? Have they changed anything? I'll show you 3 things that pop out to me. Right, look at his arm first. His arm. Look at that. Compared to the other image, and that one, they've made it come out a bit more, haven't they? Why have they done that? Have they done that? To make him look more muscly, muscular? Yeah, probably. And they've done the same thing with his chest. You see just there on this bit, they've made it bigger and rounder to make it look like he's been working out more at the gym. And his back as well, they've widened his back to make him look bigger. So they made him look bigger and stronger and more muscular. Did they need to do that? When you look at that, Justin Bieber already looked great, didn't he? Why did we need to do that? You wonder sometimes. Yeah, is that something we should be doing in today's world? Or should we be kind of just proud of who we are and what we look like? Good questions to ask. And also, I think it raises the question of what can you believe? Okay, so what can you do then? If you see an image online and you're not sure if it's fake or if it's real, what can you do? Well, you can always search for the image online. If you've got a Google app, and mum or dad's got something like that, you can ask them to reverse image search. So you put the image in and it'll come up with the results. It'll tell you where it came from. You could also just type in, you could ask Google, couldn't you? Black lion. Is there such a thing as a black lion? And Google will tell you. You also need to look when you see a picture somewhere, you need to think, who's posted that photo? And why have they posted it? Why have they posted it? Because that can sometimes give away whether it's real or fake. If it's to kind of shock you or make you go, oh, or if they're trying to sell something sometimes, that can be why images are changed a little bit to make you think something. Maybe they're trying to get a point across. Maybe they're trying to make an argument of some sort as well. Read. Always read as well. When you Google things, especially if you Google image, okay, the image comes up and then there's like maybe 3 or 4 words underneath it. That's not enough to read and find out whether or not something's fake or it's real. Okay, so you always need to be reading too. And an easy thing to do is to ask for a second opinion. For example, if you're seeing Donald Trump with his cat picture and you're like, is that real? Ask someone. Ask someone. Ask maybe, I don't know, mum, dad, or carer, or someone in the house. They'll probably be able to have a wee bit of insight too and can point you in the right direction. Have a good conversation about it too. So, that's what I do. If you ever see an image online and you're like, I don't know, is that fake or real? I want to know. Search for it online. Think about who posted it. Think about why they posted it. Read as well. Don't just look. Read. And ask for a second opinion. stuff.